The amazing whatever is. I had a vision of a world without religion. The atheists sold out for a little profit, and they tried to shoot each other down, one count at a time. And it was so boring. I've had a change of heart. I don't want atheists to mean what it's supposed to mean, but why should I have all the fun? Let's give someone else a chance. If theism isn't destroyed in 60 days, that means you are all fucking pussies. You know what I am? I'm a dog humping legs. I wouldn't know what to do with one if I didn't fuck it. You know? I just do things. The theists have plans. Jesus Queer has plans. Venom Fag has plans. They're schemers. Schemers trying to control their little worlds. Like me. We all enjoy eating babies. I fucked Jesus Queer's wife in the ass. Hallelujah!